Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a public facility, for example a museum or a library, that been renovated and improved recently. What the facility is. When it was renovated and improved. What has been renovated and improved. And explain how you feel about it. The Central Library in my city is one public space that has lately undergone renovations and improvements. For many years, this library has played a vital role in the community by offering a peaceful setting for scholars, students, and book enthusiasts to study and peruse the extensive collection of books. But the building had deteriorated over time, and the amenities were in poor condition. The local administration made the decision to renovate it in order to address these problems, and the project was finished last year. The infrastructure and services were the main focus of the makeover. The facade of the library was painted to make it look more contemporary and hospitable. It is now a better area to read and study, thanks to the updated interior seating arrangements, which include roomier study tables and more comfy chairs. Additionally, a brand new digital area was unveiled, allowing users to access study materials, ebooks, and online journals via fast internet. The area is now lighter and cozier, thanks to upgrades made to the ventilation and lighting. The creation of a special children's area featuring vibrant bookshelves, interactive educational resources, and storytelling sessions to inspire young readers was one of the most exciting additions. The fact that libraries are so important to education and personal growth makes me quite delighted about this change. More people will be able to take advantage of its resources and have a better reading experience thanks to these enhancements. Since the makeover, the library has been more welcoming and effective, and I have been there several times. It is now a more appealing location for professionals, students, and even casual readers, thanks to the updated facilities. All things considered, I think this makeover has greatly increased the library's worth and aided in the community's intellectual development. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.